Hi there, and welcome to this training video on setting up your users in Enterprise. I'm Orla from Enterprise, and today we're going to look through adding your new users and setting their permissions. So let's get you started so you can get them started. In Enterprise, click on the top right in the settings, and then click on User Settings. In here you can see all of your users that are already active in the system and create new users. Click on the plus to add a new user. Enter in details such as their first name, last name, email address, and their user type. For this you can leave blank, or if you'd like to make them an admin of your system, select them to be admin. To make it even easier to add your user permissions, you can copy from a user who already exists in your system. To do this, click on the Copy Permissions, and then which user you'd like to copy them from. Once you've got all of your details in for your user, click on the Save button. Your user is now added to the system, and you can choose to edit their permissions by clicking on the OK button. In here you can set your company data access for your user and access to the modules and the mobile applications based on the package that you're using. Simply tick it on or off for the areas that you'd like your user to see. Once you've added your permissions for your user, simply go down and click Save. Your user is now going to receive an email to activate themselves so that they can log into the system. For more information about the system, be sure to check out some of our videos or access our help center at help.enterpryze.com. You can also chat to a member of our team by clicking on the chat button on the bottom right. Click here to send us a message or access our help center. Thank you for watching.